Demonstrators gathered at Berlin airport to protest deportation flight to Afghanistan. Welcome to Tochi's channel. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching the video, if you like it, subscribe, put on your notification bell, and that way you'll be able to know when I upload a new video. In this channel, I talk about life in Germany. I give information to those who want to know more about Germany, either to come here to work, to study, to relocate, and I also sometimes talk about motherhood. And today we are going to be looking in what happens in Berlin. Yesterday, we are a lot of immigrants from Afghanistan and other parts of the world gathered together in Berlin airport to protest against deportation flight. Now, deportation flight of asylum seeker to Afghanistan remain controversial due to the precaution security situation there. Protesters assembled at Berlin Airport Terminal 5 late Wednesday to speak out against a deportation flight of asylum seekers whose claim were denied to Afghanistan. That evening, around 355 people showed up to the protest, exceeding estimates of 50 to 75 people. The demonstrators carried signs calling on the authorities to cancel the deportation flight, with some protesters blocking access road to the airport. The protesters were organized by the Brandenburg Refugee Council and ended after the plane left for Afghanistan. 20 Afghanistan men later arrived in Kabul on the German flight on Thursday morning. It is the 30th deportation flight to Afghanistan since December 2016, when the police began with a total of 1,035 Afghanistan rejected asylum seekers having been sent back home. The protests come as Germany refugee rights organization Pro-Asyl this week called for an end to deportation to Afghanistan. The group have cited the precaution security situation in Afghanistan along with the pandemic as reason why the deportation should cease. Germany resumed deportation to Afghanistan in December of last year after they were temporarily suspended in March 2020 amid the first pandemic. Deportation flights to Afghanistan are a hot subject of debate among Germany political parties. Interior Minister Horst Seehofer, a member of the Conservative Christian Social Union, has been a prominent of the deportation, while Green Party MP Claudia Roth has called for an end to practice due to the level of violence in Afghanistan. Now, let's look into this. Despite all this deportation crisis, are asylum seekers still coming to Germany? Of course, people are still coming. Official data shows that number of asylum seekers to Germany fell 30% in 2020 over the previous year as the pandemic grows up. There were just over 76,000 first-time asylum applications last year, with the majority asylum requests from nationals of Syria, Iran, and Afghanistan. In 2016, Germany saw over 700,000 first-time asylum requests, with more than 400,000 first-time applicants the previous year during the peak of the refugee crisis. So let me throw more light on this. This happens, I think, on Wednesday in Berlin, where a group of people from Afghanistan was said to be deported with Berlin flight, with German flights, but they said no, that there is still war in their country, that they come here to seek for refugee, they come here to seek for deportation. Why would they be sent back? So majority of them came back. I think in Nuremberg also they deported a lot of people. But come to think of it, I think this is not the period of sending people home. Mere looking at what is happening in the world today, the whole country, the whole world is in a crisis of this pandemic, and I think Germany should slow down until everything is over. then they can start. These people come here. If you think it is reasonable for them to be self-guided, we all knows what is happening in Afghanistan. In Nigeria, they said Nigerians do not have the right to seek for asylum because they don't have any problem in their country, while people are still suffering there. So this thing happens yesterday. It was very serious in Berlin. I didn't have time yesterday. That was why I wasn't able to record it, but I said let me throw more light. But sometimes it is also good. That is why I like Germany. Germany is a democratic society where people are free to air their opinion. When they see something that is not going well, they can come out to speak about it. If this thing were to be in other country, for example Nigeria, it would turn to any other thing. But despite their protest, they were still repatriated or deported back to their home. But come on, we are in lockdown, we are in serious pandemic. I don't think this is a very good time to send people home, no matter how you see it. Even if their reason is not genuine, give them opportunity this time until everywhere comes out. And for those who are still doubting, many people are not still believing that such thing is happening now. It is happening. The pandemic did not stop Germany. They didn't stop anything that is going on. They are taking people back to their country. Despite the fact, according to what I read here, they said the number of asylum seekers in Germany have dropped, probably because of the situation of the war. So I saw it yesterday. I said, let me bring this. So if you people have been said to send back to your country and you feel that your country is not safe for you, you can speak up. You can go with your lawyer to explain to the authorities why they shouldn't send you back home now, or why you should be living in Germany. I believe somebody out there find this video useful. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me. Somebody asked me the other day if he or she had been rejected asylum, does he have right to appeal? Yes. If you are rejected, they always give you either 1 week or 2 weeks opportunity to reappeal. When those 2 weeks lapses, I don't know the next alternative. And one thing you should bear in mind is this: once you are rejected, doesn't mean that they will not give you. Some people get accepted after 2 rejection. So once they reject you, do not feel that it is the end of the world or you don't have hope again. All you need to do is to change your lawyer. Maybe your lawyer is not doing well, change another lawyer. Maybe the next time it will click for you. I wish you good luck wherever you are. I understand your predicament as an asylum seeker or migrant without a resident permit in Germany. If you don't have a resident permit in Germany, it's always difficult and hard for you to enjoy your stay. But try your best and leave the rest to God. Remain blessed. Share this video and subscribe, and always turn on your notification bell. In that way you'll be able to know when I upload a new video. Until I meet you again in my next video, I will say bye bye.